Hey everybody, this is your girl Lavina coming back to you today with a budgeting video. Now you guys, you know I'm new at the budgeting, so bear with your girl, and if you got any tips that I can use or that can potentially make me better, I'm all here for it. Please help your girl out. Okay, you guys? So today we will be cash stuffing my Home Depot check. I get paid bi-weekly. I am part-time, and for those who don't know me, I'm Lavina. My husband is Will, and we have two boys. Well, we have a total of 5 kids, but we have two boys staying here with us now, Lorenzo and Jayden. The rest of our children are adults. Okay, we are a blended family who relocated from Detroit, Michigan. Now we're living in Central Florida. Okay, so you guys, namaste. Let me get through this video. So my check was $644.24, you guys. Okay, so what we doing now is going over what I had budgeted for my check. Now most of it's already gone. Well, all of it's gone except what you're gonna see here. So my check was $644.24. I had an Amscot loan because a few of y'all, maybe y'all didn't know, or we had a 3-day notice, and so we had to get all our money out the binders and everything and try to, not be put on the street, honey. And that's what we did. But God saw fit to bless us financially. Now now we're just trying to make it, okay? We are going to make it. We're going to be all right, okay? Why? Because God said so, okay? So the Amscot loan was originally $100, but with their interest, it came out to $113. I had thought it was $114 when I wrote my budget out, but it wasn't. So, and then my SBA loan, an auto payment of $60 went to them. When you going through financial crisis, it's like we've been going through, it's been a really rough year for my family. You go to pawn shops, you go to payday loans, just to try to survive, and that's what your girl had to do. So I have jewelry in the pawn, and my pawn was $100, and I am saving in my binders for my debt to get the whole amount so I can just, get everything out because I don't want to lose my jewelry, okay? I sent Will $150 on the car note, all right? And then rent, I have $200 to put in that rent folder. We will take care of that now, which will be coming out because hopefully we have we will have all the money to pay our rent for this month. We late again, y'all, another late fee. But I don't know, we're just trying to stay above water. And I don't budget my husband's check, but I do cash stuff with the money he gave me for him, okay, in some of our savings challenges. So after the car note, and then after the rent, out of my check, out of the $644.24, I had $16.14 left as a little buffer in case something come out, which I have not touched yet, okay, you guys? So my Portland balance was 89, but I took the money out of that too, you guys, because, we thought we needed it. But now a Portland it's accumulated back. You can't put money, like you can't deposit it. They have to, well, yes, you can. You can do it auto and have them do it. But a Portland, now it's accumulated in like a week and a half, like less than 2 weeks. I've saved up $44.08 in there. Okay, you guys? So I am, at the beginning stage of my budgeting journey. I know this was a simple list because I had simple bills to pay with this, okay? I knew what I wanted to pay, and so I wrote it down and I took care of that. Now, pray for us, that we can get ahead of some of these bills, and, that's just what it is, We got to be, I just need to have a prosperity mindset. I don't want to live in lack no more. So with the income that I had, I did what I could. So like I said, if you guys have any tips or suggestions, just let me know. This was my real, I did the budgeting video before, but I didn't actually wait on my paycheck. I was just assuming. So this is my first real budgeting video, as far as when I knew what I was working with. Okay, you guys. So it was a little sloppy because I had some errors and things like that. I hope you guys was able to read it well and understand what I was saying. And like I said, I will be doing budgeting videos moving forward. And I will be also budgeting my side income as well. Like my YouTube checks, my DoorDash checks, and everything separately as well. I think the key is in the budgets. Like I need the budget, and I can't believe, y'all, I really stuck to the budget. Well, at least on here. It got a little tricky. A little, and then probably another video y'all will see. But I'm doing the best I can, okay, you guys? Like I said, keep praying for me and my family, and I'll do the same for yours. Thanks for watching my content. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So thank you so much. See you guys on the next video. Bye.